When trading stocks and ETFs online, a common question investors ask is whether Questrade charges Electronic Communication Network, or ECN, fees. The short answer is that for standard, default orders on Canadian and US-listed stocks and ETFs, ECN fees typically do not apply. Questrade offers zero commission trading for online self-directed accounts, meaning standard buy and sell orders route through smart order routers without passing extra routing fees down to you. However, there are specific exceptions where ECN fees will apply to your account. Understanding these scenarios helps you avoid unexpected charges on your trade confirmations. First, ECN fees apply if you use direct routing on US securities. Direct routing happens when you manually choose to send your order to a specific exchange or marketplace, rather than letting Questrade's smart router decide. Depending on whether your direct routed order adds or removes liquidity on exchanges like NASDAQ, NYSE, ARCA, BATS, or IEX, a per share fee will be charged. Second, ECN fees apply to all over-the-counter, or OTC, U.S. security orders. Because OTC stocks trade outside major national exchanges, these transactions carry a minor per share ECN fee regardless of how the order is routed. Third, if you place orders during the overnight trading session, which runs from 8 p.m. to 2 a.m. Eastern Time, an ECN fee of $0.003 per share will apply. It is important to remember that ECN fees never apply to Canadian stock or ETF orders. For U.S. stocks, standard automated orders remain free of ECN fees. If you ever use direct routing or trade OTC assets, your trading platform will display the theoretical maximum fee on the order confirmation page. You can also track exact execution costs by adding the custom ECN fee column to your trade history on the Questrade Edge platform. Reviewing your order types ensures you keep your trading costs as close to zero as possible. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.